The shepherd leads a lamb to be sacrificed. And we see this idea in Jesus. The shepherd lays his life down for the sheep as a lamb. He is our good shepherd who became the lamb to be led by the Spirit into the wilderness. The shepherd who became the lamb that was seized and led away to Caiaphas to be falsely accused, convicted, and beaten. The lamb that was silent before his shearers as they bound him and led him away and delivered him to Pilate. The lamb that was led before the people to be crucified. Jesus was seized, led, and delivered. The Creator became the creature. The shepherd became the sheep. The Lord became the lamb. The Prince of Peace became the prisoner, a priest. But the deliverer was delivered. He was led on earth so that we could live in him. The Savior of men was seized for sin. The driver of all things had nails driven into him. So the next time you feel seized by life, know he was seized for you. When difficulties lead you astray, know that he was led for you. When you feel empty like you've given this life all you have, know he emptied himself and gave himself for you. Did we deserve any of this? No, and we never will. But he loves us enough not to abandon us to our failures. Instead, he paid the price to add us to his family.